Hi. In the last few videos, we learned how to perform division on algebraic expressions and focused on the division of a monomial by another monomial and the division of a polynomial by a monomial, right? In this video, we will learn about division of a polynomial by another polynomial. So, let us begin. In the previous video, I explained what a polynomial is, but let us quickly revise it. A polynomial is a mathematical expression made up of variables, coefficients, and constants combined using addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Also, the exponents or powers of the variables are whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. A few examples of polynomials are 3x plus 7. It is a polynomial with one variable x, then x cube plus 5xy square minus y plus 1. In this polynomial, there are two variables x and y. Okay, now let us divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Let us divide 5m square plus 15m by m plus 3. Here 5m square plus 15m is numerator and m plus 3 is denominator, right? Since the denominator has two terms, that is m and 3, we cannot directly divide each term separately, right? So we try to factorize the numerator and look for common factors. Let us look at 5m square plus 15m. I will write it down here. We can write it in factor form. So for 5m square, I will write it as 5 multiplied by m multiplied by m, right? In a bracket. After that, we have a plus sign. And for 15m, I will write it as 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15 multiplied by m. So that is 15m. Okay. Here in the first term 5 multiplied by m, that is 5m, and in the second term 5 multiplied by m is 5m. Both are common, right? So here 5m is a common factor. Taking 5m out, we will get 5m, and in a bracket from first term we have m, then plus sign, and from the second term we have 3. I will write 3 here, close bracket. Okay. Now let us rewrite the division in fraction or numerator and denominator form. So 5m square plus 15m divided by m plus 3. I will write this division in fraction form. This is equal to, at the numerator's place we have 5m square plus 15m, and at the denominator's place we have m plus 3, right? This is equal to, for 5m square plus 15m, we know that we have 5m as a common factor, and in the bracket there is m plus 3, and at the denominator's place we have m plus 3, right? Let us keep m plus 3 in bracket here also. This is equal to, so here m plus 3 is a common factor in both numerator and denominator, right? So it will cancel each other and we are left with only 5m, right? This is the answer. Let us see what we have seen in this video. In this video, we learned how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. We revised the definition of a polynomial and looked at a few examples. Then we solved a division problem where the denominator had more than one term. In such cases, we cannot divide directly, so we first factorize the numerator. After factorizing, we identified the common factor in the numerator and denominator and cancelled it to get the final answer. Okay, hope you understood this concept of division of a polynomial with another polynomial. In my next video, I will bring more examples. Thanks for watching.